Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo ni Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Uba Alexander Elhek ubalong ru UMLA jong kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party, kabay trelang hapok kakanhon jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, kababat yu lakam sensyar hakani kejela. Ulakam bakaseng Kongres kala persang, ban kro yaki MLA jong kani kakanhon, ban ni ay ka jingkersyan yakani kaseng. Haka jikran bat kinang patay kubor haka arpulay trek mutabna jileo rajar arpo, uba Elhek ulayatu, bak jingkang kapelebet yanu ru, bat yakanu kaseng sain partay, ban yakran bat kanu Henry kasyangpat haki seng sain partay, ban shim yakaray, bat haka jokapor ulakam ru baki seng sain partay ki betre lang. Hapok kakanhon jong ka MDA kidan hapadeng ka jingya teli bet melon hadu menta mene ban pene ya ka sarkar hadu bakot ka samoy trekam ka basan senam.
See, the field is open to everybody. Every political party have their own prerogative and their role to play. They have to play. The Congress, they are trying also their best. This is up to the party, the Congress party. See, this one, to play politics, nobody can stop to any political party. Every political party, they have their own role to play. This is open field.
There were some reports that BJP, PDF and other smaller parties are not happy in the government.
We are very much happy with the MDA government. We have no grumble or no, we don't have anything again. We are all united, the MDA partners.